Good day, everyone. Welcome to this subject, Social Studies, Grade 9A and 9B. Your teacher here, Miss Michelle Joy. This video will serve as a recap makeup class, especially for the students who aren't able to attend our class virtually. Let's proceed to our online learning discussion now. Recap of the last topics discussed. We have studied about storms in North America. So, what is a storm? A storm is a severe disturbance in the atmosphere. So, there are three types of storms, which include the following: thunderstorms, tornadoes, and hurricanes. What is a tornado? So, a tornado is a violently rotating column of air. It extends from a thunderstorm to the ground. What is a thunderstorm? It is a local storm produced by a cumulonimbus cloud, always accompanied by lightning and thunder, usually with strong gusts of wind, heavy rain, and sometimes with hail. Now, class, for the objective of our lesson, students must be able to know about the plant life in North America. So I expect that after this online discussion, you can already determine some vegetation or plants that survive in the cold weather of the northern hemisphere of the continent of North America. Class, our topic for today is about plant life in North America, and these are the vocabulary words. Please repeat after me so you can still practice your reading skills and your speaking skills even if you are just at home. Are you ready now? Let's start reading. Number 1, survive. Number 2, shrub. Number 3, plant life. Number 4, contain. And number 5, difference. Now, let's read the meaning of these words one by one. Survive means to endure, last, live, outlive, exist, pull through, persist, subsist, outlast, and remain. Next word is shrub. Shrub means bush, tree, shrubbery, flower, weed, plant, hedge, scrub, herb, and briar. Third word is plant life. Means flora, plants, vegetation, vegetable kingdom, greenery, kingdom plantae, undergrowth, and verdure. Next is the word contain. Contain means hold, include, comprise, curb, accommodate, control, check, restrain, embrace, and embody. And the last word is difference. It means disagreement, discrepancy, divergence, dissimilarity, disparity, conflict, distinction, dispute, variation, and variance. So let's repeat these words again from numbers 1 to 5. Survive, shrub, plant life, contain, difference. Now, class, let us study about the plant life in North America. So these are just some examples of plants or vegetations in North America. So the plant life of North America is characterized according to climatic region. Of course, if you are in the northern hemisphere of North America, the region there is more colder than the southern hemisphere. Next class, if you are in the region of southern hemisphere, of course, this area is warmer than the area in northern hemisphere. Now class, this is a picture of a grassland. The grassland region is characterized by large open areas of tall or short grass. So as you can see, class is very huge or very big. Next is the mountain regions or alpine. So due to the cold during the winter months, only short grasses and shrub can survive in tundra and alpine mountain regions. Next one is the coniferous forest region, which contains trees such as pine, fir, and spruce. The next one is the deciduous forest region. It has a wealth of plant life and includes tall and short trees, shrubs, small plants, and mosses. Class, the next one is about Mediterranean region. So plants found in Mediterranean region have adapted to the differences in rainfall and temperature between winter and summer and include palm trees, citrus trees, forest, and scrub. Now class, we have here jungles, rainforest. So while the rainforest areas are jungles of dense and wet forests, the desert region are home only to the plants that can survive the arid conditions and include varieties of cacti. Now class, just to summarize the plant life in North America. So we have here the grassland, as you can see in the picture. We have here alpine or tundra. So of course, the temperature here is freezing cold, especially at night. Next is coniferous forest, populated by evergreens, lakes, ponds, and bogs. Next is deciduous forest, which trees lose their leaves during autumn or fall, moderate temperature and rainfall, large variety of animals and plants. Now class, what is the Mediterranean climate? Mediterranean climate is also known as dry summer subtropical climate. The reasons the Mediterranean climate is called like this is because of the land that borders the Mediterranean Sea. And the last one is rainforest. Rainforests also cover 2% of the world, but the rainforests hold 50% of the world trees. So imagine that class. So we have to take care of our forest, not only rainforest, but the whole kinds of rainforest. Now, class, for your activity, click the link in the Google Classroom to answer the activity. So, are these statements true or false according to the text about North America climate? So, if your answer is true, just tick true. If your answer is false, just tick false. So now, class, we now come to the end of our online learning discussion. Please feel free to call me or send me a message in my personal line account, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you very much, and I hope you have learned something about the storms in North America. Goodbye!